Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Dave Adams. In this video, we're going to discuss the steps involved in installing BaseCSS. Let's get right into it. The first thing to do is to visit the website. I'm going to leave the link in the description and click the Get Started button. It should bring you to the docs page, and the first section on the docs page is the installation section. And there are three ways. Either you go with the link and paste it in your HTML file. You use the npm command, but you need Node.js to be installed first, or you use the download button. First off, I'm going to sign out quickly, and then I'm just going to open the link in a new tab, and then I should be able to download everything within the BaseCSS folder. So it's going to zip it, and then it's going to download for me. I'm going to skip this part. So the part where I actually place all the content in the project folder. Now that it's downloaded, I'm going to open the zip file and then take the folder and then copy it. And I'm going to paste it right on my desktop. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it BaseCSS. I think I already have a folder like that. So I'm going to say BaseCSS first. And within that folder, I want to paste the downloaded file or folder. I want to open Visual Studio Code with a new window. I'm just going to drag this over Visual Studio Code, and I should have my basic BaseCSS structure here. I'm just going to go live, and you're going to be met with a page saying go hard with BaseCSS. Now that's the first method. The second method is to use the npm command. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. I'm going to go into my BaseCSS. Now I'm going to create a new folder, call it BaseCSS second. Now I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. I'm going to open a new window. I'm going to paste it or drag over the window. Let me zoom in a bit so the visibility is better. Now to do this, you need Node.js installed. The method for installing Node.js is by going to Google, searching for Node.js. Going straight to the download page, and then installing the version that goes with your operating system. So if you use Windows, you go with the Windows installer. If you use macOS, you go with the macOS installer. And then you go with the 64-bit or 32-bit MSI installer for Windows. That is if your machine is a 32 or 64-bit machine. Now, when you're done with that and you've gone through the installation process, now you should have Node.js installed on your machine, your PC. Now, what you want to do is to use the command that is on the website. So I'm just going to go right onto the website, copy the command, and then paste it in the terminal and hit enter. This should install the files for BaseCSS. It's going to go through all this, and we have our folder within the node modules folder. All you have to do is to bring it out, move it, and then you have BaseCSS right here. When you're done, you can get rid of the node modules. And the package lock and then package JSON, and get rid of them. And then we have our basic BaseCSS folder. We have our assets and all that. I'm also going to launch this page and see what it brings us. It also says go hard with BaseCSS. That's our second method. And for the last method, which is linking the file, I'm just going to create a BaseCSS thread. I'm going to open a new window. And then, as you know, I'm going to drag that folder over the window. And we should have that. Now I'm going to create a simple HTML file. And I'm going to create the basic structure by hitting exclamation and then hitting enter. Now all I want to do is to link the BaseCSS style sheet. And I can just copy it from the website, the docs page, and then paste it within the head tag, right before the title tag. And we should be able to get something. We should have all this font styling of BaseCSS. I'm just going to say go hard with BaseCSS as is on the other pages. I'm going to give a class of font blue. And then I'm also going to say big heading, big font. No, it should be main heading for that. No, I didn't launch it with the live server. And we have go hard with BaseCSS. I think I'm going to have to center this. Font center. And probably I'll have to increase the thickness of the fonts. So it's supposed to be thick fonts rather. The fonts way thick. And that should give us a go hard with BaseCSS. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and share. I'm going to make more videos on BaseCSS, simple videos on how to use BaseCSS and how to familiarize yourself with it. Thank you.